conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, good morning. Let's get started with the last class started with pandas. Let me open collaboratory. Okay. What about pandas? Pandas nothing but panel data, handle tabular data like Excel, SQL tables, all these things. Pandas is going to be using for data cleaning, filtering, aggregation, and visualization. Yes. How to import pandas? Import pandas as PD. Import pandas as PD. And I started with the small panel data, first panel, the one column. Then I taken data like something name, age, salary. For this, I created a data frame. Data frame df is equal to pd.dataframe data, and I get a data frame over there. This is very simple, straightforward. Now let's try to read a CSV file. Okay, I will try to read a CSV file now. For CSV data, I go through the Kaggle datasets, Kaggle CSV files, CSV datasets. Let's download one simple Kaggle dataset, age gender dataset. Okay, so it is asking me register. I want to register for Kaggle. Kaggle is open source dataset provider where you can able to find out huge number of datasets for data science, for data analytics, for artificial intelligence also. Okay, so yeah, this one I want to take it, download it. Okay, download dataset as zip file. So I'm downloading the dataset as a zip file here. Okay, open it, unzip it. Okay, what is the data contained with age and gender? Let me see. Open Excel. It is trying to opening the values or columns. Okay, my God, this is having huge amount of columns. But what is this age? What is this gender? This is not looking good. This is not looking good. Okay, let me try to take students' data. Mm, let me go. How to read the data? in CSV files. If you want to read the data from CSV, read data from CSV. Comma separated values. CSV nothing but comma separated values. Okay. So df is equal to pd dot read data, read underscore CSV, read underscore CSV. Okay. So inside this, whatever the data you want, you can just keep it. Students dot CSV file. Okay. Let me check the df. Now I don't have students. Basically, I don't have any students.csv. I will try to download students data. Any students.csv is available here. Any students.csv is available here. I'm just checking that. Yeah, I can find some students.csv file. You can download it directly. From Kaggle API, you can able to download. Okay. Import Kaggle Hub. You can directly download like this. Let me check it out. Import Kaggle Hub. Download latest version of students CSV. Okay, downloading from this. Yeah, 100% downloaded. Second. Data sets. Now I try to explore this. Still, it is not available. Okay. No, I did not get the file. Let's do one thing. Directly I can download the data set. Yeah, I have students CSV file available here. So let's copy this and go to Google Drive. I have the drive here. And inside this, so this is a collab notebooks. This is the collab notebooks. In this folder only I want to paste. So where your collab notebooks are available, there you have to paste the students.csv. Okay, now I can able to load this. It is available now. Still it is not ready. One by one execute properly. Maybe input issue. Students.csv is available here, but it is not able to load. Students. Okay, anyway, we'll see this later. But you can able to load this. We check the issue. Okay, that is something like path issue is coming. No worries. I'll execute this later. Hmm? Students.csv. I already have it. I already downloaded it. File. Locate in the drive. I'll close this and I'll open one more time. Collab. Google Drive. Full stack Python. Just go down. Now df is equal to pd dot read csv, read underscore csv. Already file is available. So students dot csv. Just check the df now. Maybe the path issue. Okay, we will see this later. So whenever you want to whenever you want to check the specific columns, what do you have to do? If you want to check the specific columns, you can go like df of I want to check the specific column selection. Okay, and only name, for example, I already have some. I already have some. This one is there, no? So data is there. For the data, I created one df. Now take this df only. This later I will see. Okay. Read files.
Sir,
Search. Tell me, sir.
before the path, double quotations, can you try R, letter R?
No double quotation needed. The file
No, no,
itself in the same folder. In the
no,
same folder, it is there.
I'm saying that when students file, when you trying to loading it, you use the name and double quotations, right? Before double quotation, could you include R, letter R?
Include
R, letter R. That
I don't
will
understand.
sometimes it works for me. Like I usually work with these files, CSV files. So whenever
Okay.
something not works, it asks me to use. My lecturer told me to use R. So R lets you read the
Okay.
files
One
when
second.
you get error.
Okay. 1 second. Okay. So I'm trying to loading the students.csv. Basically, I try to always use uh, APIs only, URLs only, but I don't load the local file anytime. What? This
Before
one.
students, yeah, their type R, small letter R.
R.
Yeah,
Not working.
path. Why don't you directly copy the path of the file from the data set?
Data set here only, na? That file here only
Yeah,
available.
it has been included in other folders, right? In uploaded files. Not
One
like
second.
that.
One
Inside
second.
the
I do one thing. Wait. I do one thing. I do one thing. Uh, Better than this. I go to the Google Drive, and inside my drive, I'll prepare a new folder like I prepare a new folder here like datasets. Okay. So I will prepare a new folder for datasets. Yeah. So inside the datasets, I pasted this students, or I can drag and drop. 1 second.
This conference will now
Yeah,
be
you can do
recorded.
like this. So whenever you want to load the datasets, first of all, you can keep inside your Google Drive. So this is the Google Drive. So inside the Google Drive, I prepared a folder or I created a folder like datasets. Okay. So inside the datasets, I taken my file like students.csv. I keep the file students.csv. This is local basically, local in the Google Drive. But first of all, what we need to do is we need to mount the drive. Okay, let me go to this. This process is mounting the drive. Where is this? This one from google.colab, import to drive, drive.mount, content of the drive. So drive mounting permission it will ask. So you have to give the permission. After giving the permission, then you can directly read the file. df is equal to pd.read csv. Then you can give the proper path. So this one data sets I prepared na. I prepared in a folder like datasets, no? So you just give the datasets for folder, then give the students.csv. Fine. My data got loaded. Can you see? The data got loaded. Now you can able to work with the operations. Let's go with the select the specific columns. Understand this one? Google Drive mounting process. Okay, anyway, for MLAI also, we will work on the local data sets. I don't give the real data sets. Local data sets only we can try to work on practices. Okay, for this, select specific columns. Select specific columns. For this, I want to go for df of what is the name? What is the column we have? Check the columns. What are the columns we have? Name is there, partner is there. Name, partner. Okay, can I go for the name? df of name. I can able to retrieve the only name. When I say df of name, I can able to retrieve only name column, single column. No, sir, I want to retrieve the student ID and name. You can go for the student ID and name, or name and partner. Name, partner, then you can go like df of the one is name, the one is a partner, the one is a partner. Now I can, no, what is the spelling mistake? In this time we have two things, na? Whenever we have two things, we need to give the two brackets. df of, you can take a list kind of items, then only it will come. You have to go like a list kind of items, then only it will come. Still, yeah, I can able to see two columns at the same time. One is the name, one is the column. Okay, so now I want to work like mm, conditional, a filter. So filter like a partner which is having more than 10, a partner which is having more than 10. Okay, how to do filter for this? More than 10 partners. There are a number of students and a number of partners are there for that. Okay, let me do one thing. I will prepare a conditional column here. Conditional filter. Conditional filter for this. Okay, now you can check it out. More than 10. More than 10 partners. This is what my requirement is. For this, what you can do is df of and df of partner greater than 10. Okay, then you can execute it. That was executed. Now more than 10 partners already variable. You can take the variable and execute it. More than 10 partners. Can you see more than 10 partners filtered? Data got filtered. Filtered or not? Filtered or not? More than 10 partners. Where more than 10 partners we have, that partners, that thing we can able to see. Okay, so I want to add one more new column for this. If you want to add one more new column, you can able to add the new column. But the data, how many records are there? How many records are there for DF? For this DF, lot of records are there. For this DF,
You
lot
can
of
use
records are
set
there.
to see how many rows we have, rows
Yeah,
and columns.
we have totally 24 rows are 24 rows are there. 24 rows are there. But I want to add a column with the grade. But when you add a column, we need to give a number like 20 grades we need to give. Better, we will go through the small data set, previous one. I prepared a small one, no? This one I
Yes,
took it.
sir.
If you, instead of going with 20 records, better I can go with the small thing. Then column adding is very simple. See, whenever you are adding the column, you need to add the rows also. Sorry, this one, not this one. Go top. Copy this code. What exactly I given yesterday? This is gone. Okay, let's do one more. One more time I will create. No problem. One more time I will create. Okay, I will create one more time. No problem. DF data. First of all, data is required. You create the data. For data, I need to go for the name. For the name, I give a huge number of names like Mohansh and Manasa, Rohit. Only 3 students I'm taking. More than that, not required. For 3 students, I should give some course. Okay, course. For course, I'm trying to providing different courses over there. So Python, Java, data science. Okay, right. So the one more thing, these things are enough. Okay. Now create a data frame for this. DF is equal to PD dot data frame. PD dot data frame using by the data. Okay. Next, DF. Access it. Okay. Data frame ready. We have 3 names: Mohansh, Manasa, and Rohit. Python, Java, and data science. But I want to add a new column for this. How to add a new column? This is very simple. Yeah. DF of, I want to add a new column like salary. How many people are there? 3 people. Huh? How many people are there? 3 people. Okay. 98,000, 34,000, 68, 56,000. Okay. Now check the DF after adding the salary. After adding the salary, check this. Added a column, column added.
Yes.
Previously, I created data with name and course, but now I added column salary. Okay. Now, next step. What is this next step? Show info about the data from check the number of unique partner columns. This is nonsense. AI. Okay. Let me go next one. I want to check the mean of the salary. How to check the mean salary? What is the mean salary? DF of salary. DF of salary dot mean. Capital letter, small letter I given. Small letter only.
You give commas.
Dot mean. Sorry. Dot mean. Okay. I want to check the mean then. Okay. Mean is this. How to see the mean? How to see the value of the mean? Print of mean. Print of mean. Okay. This is the mean salary. This is the mean salary for this. I want to sort the data. I want to sort the data based on the salary. Okay, 98, 34, 56. This is a different order. This is the different order. Okay, before that mean is there, max is there, average is there. This is the one mean. This is the one mean. The next I want to see the minimum salary. Who is having the minimum salary or who is having the maximum salary? Who is having the minimum salary? Who is having the maximum salary? So min is the function for that. So minimum salary is this from the three people. This is the minimum salary. I want to see the maximum salary. Who is getting maximum salary and what is the maximum salary in the company? Maximum salary in the company. Maximum salary in the company. Okay, maximum salary. Hmm. Maximum salary. So this is the maximum salary. 98,000 is the maximum salary. If you want to sort the data, if you want to sort the data, hmm. The next one is sorting process. Only three columns we have. That is the why reason three columns and only three rows or four rows we have. That is the why reason you can able to easily understand. But when you have the bigger data sets, then you need to work out with the bigger data sets also. Sort the data. Sorted df. Sorted is equal to df dot sort. The method df dot sort underscore values by what? By salary, right? Sort by salary, right? Sort by salary. In what kind of order? Ascending order or descending order? What do you want? Ascending is equal to false means descending order it will come. Then print sorted. Print sorted. You will be getting the sorted order. Can you see? Ascending is equal to false. Ascending is equal to true means what? Ascending order 34 to 98. This is ascending. Am I clear? So these are the different kind of functions which are going to be working like pandas. Can we go with matplotlib now? దీనికి దీనికి ఇక్కడ ఉందిగా డ్రైవ్.
This conference will now be
Now we'll
recorded.
see about matplotlib. Matplotlib is very simple. You know about plots, right? So in your childhood days, you are seeing like plottings, graphs. Okay, let me show the official documentation. Matplotlib. Okay, this is a matplotlib. This is a kind of visualization tool. Let me go to the getting started documents here. So how to install matplotlib? So directly in the Jupyter notebook, import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Is it visible, guys? Import matplotlib pyplot as plt. Import numpy as np. Numpy also required. So just take this source code here from the documentation and go to the collaboratory. Just give this. Just give this. Okay, matplotlib is visualization tool to show graphs and dashboards. But data is required, na? Data is required. So let me keep the small data here. If I keep the small data from the documentation, I taken this. Okay, execute it. So I got a simple graph over there. So like this, you will be finding huge number of graphs. For example, you will be having like You can see the examples here. When you see the examples, line charts are there, bar charts are there, bar chart with labels is there, stacked bar chart is there, and grouped bar chart with labels is there. All these are different kind of styles, huge number of styles. Can you see? Can you see how many number of graphs are available? How many number of examples are available? Okay, let's see the simple pie chart. Okay, import matplotlib pipeline. Labels are frogs, hogs, dogs, logs. Sizes of 15, 13, 40. See, this is simple Python. This is simple Python, but I want to show the pie chart. Simple Python, I want to show the pie chart. All these things you can do practice with simple pie chart. Can you see the pie chart now? Can you see the pie chart now? So based on the sizes, so frogs 15, hogs 30, dogs 45, logs 10. Finally, fig comma ax is equal to plt dot subplots ax dot py sizes and labels. So I can see the labels also, no? I can see the hogs, I can see the frogs, I can see the logs, I can see the dogs. Everything I can able to visualize here. Everything I can able to visualize here. Am I clear, guys? Why? Because matplotlib documentation is very good. Matplotlib documentation is very neat and very good. You can try to do practice with this. You can try to do practice with this. Okay, the source codes, everything available. When you click on the bar, when you click on any chart here, when you click on any chart here, okay, bar chart with labels, for example, very straightforward. Bar chart with labels. Okay, so directly you can take this and go to the collaboratory and take the code bar chart with labels. You try to understand. This is simple Python only. Just objects are there, loops are there, for loop is there, something is there. Just Python only. Don't confuse about it. Simply I can able to see the bar chart with different kind of labels. Number of penguins by sex, male, female penguins. Am I clear? Everyone, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is what actually the Python with NumPy Matplotlib pandas, and tomorrow we will start UI part, or we will start data science part, scikit-learn part. Which is better? What do you want? You want UI or you want data science?
I want UI, sir.
Okay, let's go with the UI from tomorrow. So after finishing the UI till the React.js, then we come to the integration part like Flask. Okay, so we will learn Flask, we will learn Django, then integration with ML, machine learning. Okay, so freshly we will start tomorrow UI. Please do practice this. Pandas, Matplotlib. NumPy yesterday done, and today Pandas and Matplotlib done. And Google Drive, how to access from Google Drive, that is also I told. So download the CSV files from the Kaggle, keep that into the drive, access to the collaborator. Then only you can able to work on that. Okay, bye for now. Have a good day. We'll meet tomorrow. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If anybody not subscribed so far, please click on the bell icon and provide your valuable comments. Your comments are needful. And please share the message for your friends, like Gen AI batch already started. All people are attending Gen AI. I see in all the people in the morning. I think Manasa missing today. Okay, Gen AI videos also uploaded in the YouTube. Please comment for the Gen AI videos also. For every video, please provide your likes and comments. It will reach to unknown persons, unsubscribers. That is the only request from Mohansh. Okay, so I'm giving the message for you now. You just keep this message for them. This is the meeting link and all for the Gen AI. Just give this. Keep in your social media and keep your status. share with your groups also. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Tomorrow freshly we start with the UI. This is what actually Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. Till now so far we can covered with. And UI also will take like 4 to 5 days or 1 week. It will go for 1 week it seems. After that we go with the Django and ML. Okay, even Flask also. Bye for now. Have a good day. See you signing off.